We put in our screwdriver. Pretty much our equipment goes here. It's ready to go. All right, when you get it out of the box, it comes with a bag, a traveling bag too, also included with the tools, screws, and everything you need. The instructions are very thorough. They have these flat base areas, if you guys can see, where the screws actually marry. It's like a puzzle piece. So we're gonna put this together and see how beautiful it looks out here. So we are in a beautiful area where they do a lot of weddings in here, and this is perfect for your next wedding or quinceañera or event. All right, let's take a look at the beautiful half triangle, if you guys can see. Now, setting up was an ease. It came with the screws, the actual tools. Flowers are not included, of course. But once you set it up, you could style it however you want. Doesn't have to be these particular flowers, but you make sure that this is going to mimic some of the environment. During the summer, we got plenty of flowers out here. Beautiful atmosphere here. Today, we're limited with flowers because of winter, but look how beautiful the actual structure looks like. It took me about 15 minutes to put together. My recommendations, if you're going to take it to a place, half assemble it, and when you get to a place, screw in the legs and set up the rest. So you guys, all right, if you guys can see, you can't even see the screws here. It comes with the proper screws here. If you guys can see, they're hidden, well hidden in here. We put a little bit of tape, just hide the stuff, the flowers itself. The structure won't come down because it stabilizes with the actual legs, the footings. If you guys can see, stabilize the footing out there in the bottom. Like I said, everything's included, including the actual screws, along with the washers, and along with the actual Allen wrench, and also a Phillips screwdriver. See, mobile, take your whole entire unit out to install. Easy to install, easy to set up. I hope you guys enjoy the video.